welcome back to the channel. I'm GIGII and welcome back. So I just posted, so I just need to make another video. I'm very certain about the comments now, so I hope you enjoy my series. It's a little bit normal today, so he is still in a sleepover, coming back about today. It wasn't the weather wasn't that usual today, so I was thinking about of going to the upstairs and living room. Let me just go upstairs. Okay, perfect. Let me just watch the news and hope the weather's okay today. Let me just change the channel. Or this one. Okay, I think it's this one. Let me just watch some TV. Oh my gosh. Wait, what? A thunderstorm? Oh my gosh. A thunderstorm is hitting Bloxburg? Oh my god. I didn't know that. Oh my gosh. Wait, I need to take a bath, you guys. Let me just... Oh my gosh. A thunderstorm. We just moved in Bloxburg. Our town can be ruined already. This is our dream house. Okay, Miguel's dream mansion. Oh my gosh, I'm literally stuck. Come on, you guys, that wasn't part of the video. Oh my gosh. A thunderstorm is hitting Bloxburg? I didn't know that. Like, it hasn't been anything wrong with the weather, so I hope everything's okay. Oh my gosh, it's been really dark outside. Oh my gosh, don't tell me. I haven't even get ready yet. Girl, let me get ready, okay? Girl. Oh my god, I left the TV on. I think we had to stay in my room today, so oh my gosh, I can't get a thunderstorm. Like, I haven't experienced this in Brookhaven, but now in Bloxburg. We just moved in Bloxburg. I hope Katie's safe at her sleepover. I hope the mother is a Karen lady. Oh my gosh, I hope Katie's okay. The mother of the kids. The mother is a Karen. Oh, I'm not a Karen. We need some food in here. Okay. I think there's food here. Okay. I had to close this cabinet. Katie getting some. Let me see if we have anything in the content. Okay, we'll definitely need some water. What will be good? Okay, perfect. We need two bottles of water. Let me see what we got. Hold on. I don't know what to get. Let me just search if there's some salmon. I actually hate salmon. Oh, we have salmon here. Okay, perfect. Okay, I think this will just warm us up. I hope the thunderstorm don't take too long. Let me just get all the food. This will stop me up for about one day. Okay guys, so there's still a lot of fog outside, but I don't know what's going on and I haven't experienced this. I need to change in something more comfortable. I don't like wear my normal outfit for the videos. Okay, I think I should just change. I got some clothes. Okay, let me see what I got. I'm just gonna wear this outfit. Okay, perfect. Oh my gosh, you guys, the thunderstorm has started. Oh my gosh, I wasn't expecting this. Oh my gosh, I can literally see Bloxburg up there. I hope Bloxburg's safe. Let me just change in my pajamas and everything will be okay. Okay, I'm gonna wear this for now. Yeah. I'm gonna sit on my couch. I'm kind of hungry. I'm gonna get a salmon. It's not good to rest and eat. Like, I mean, it's not good. But do I have any chairs? I guess I could just sit on the couch. Okay, so now it's a bit like cold now. Why am I feeling so cold? I think I need a sip of water. Oh, I had the leftover bacon and eggs. A sip of water. Girl, the lag is so bad. Let me just put it on there. Let me just try to go outside. Oh my gosh, I'm so scared. Oh my gosh. At least the power is here. Oh my. What the hell? What the heck? What happened? Like, why is everything all black? Where did the power go? I know I slept for 3 hours, but I know the thunderstorm is still going. Oh my gosh. Don't tell me there's a power cut. Let me check outside. Let me check outside. Boop, boop, boop. Oh my. At least the fireplace is working and the elevator is working. I think it's good to stay in the movie room. Like, the movie room is the best. They have light there. But I need to bring a flashlight, guys. I can't just oh my gosh. This, no, girl. Get away from here. No, girl. Okay, at least there's a bit of light here. Hey, let me just, we have essentials there. Okay, don't worry. I'll just get a flashlight. Okay. Oh my gosh, this is so annoying because the lights are colored lights. Oh my gosh, this is so annoying. Let me go to the movie room and I hope everything will be fine for the rest of the day. I hope no power cuts and I don't want to be black, okay? I don't want to burn down. Let me just go to the movie room. Oh, at least there's snacks inside. Oh my gosh. Let me just put the flashlight. Oh my god. I can't place the flashlight. I guess there's already some light in here because, yeah, there's light in here already because of the projector. Let me just projector on. Oh my gosh, I can't reach. Okay, let me just turn on. This show, okay, I think this show is my favorite, so I'm gonna watch it. Let me just get some popcorn. Yum. Just climb this. actually really bored of this channel, so I'm gonna change it. Actually, we are gonna watch the news. Just try to switch the projector. Not this one. Not this one. Okay, perfect. This one. Okay, Rose also. It's been a few hours and the light haven't been gone yet. There's still fog outside, I think. Yeah. Let me try to get some slushy. Oh my god, it looks so creepy. There's a pretzel here. Oh wait, there's no more pretzel. I had to fill this out. I'm gonna go with some chocolate pretzels today. I only got a strawberry slushy. So they said the power is going back soon. That's good. But the thunderstorm is getting better. So I hope that Bloxburg is still okay. At least our house is still standing. I think, yeah. So this comes to the end of our video. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notifications. Don't miss the latest videos. Remember to use starcode GIGII on my Robux or premium. Remember to subscribe to get more videos and join my Discord server GIGII soon. If you guys want to be in a future video of this, all you have to do is just like, subscribe, or join my Discord server. Bye.